Well, this video is not going according to plan. Hello friends, this is Heidi with Kiddos Corral, and today we're going to be cleaning up underneath my kitchen sink. As you guys know, we have redid our kitchen this year. We remodeled it and I am so pleased with it. However, this area has gotten out of control, and as you can tell, this is where I keep my dish soap, my dish towels, my SOS pads, my trash bags, and as well as my dog shampoo, which can be put somewhere else. I also keep my drying mats, and everything has just basically gotten pushed in here to the point that, well, I can't find anything and it's driving me crazy. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean all of this stuff out of here. I'm just going to pull it out, give it a good clean, and then we'll go to phase 2 of cleaning out underneath the kitchen sink. Okay, I just got everything all cleaned out from underneath the sink, and I'm going to run the sweeper in there. I'm just going to take my hose attachment and really get it good and dusty, dust-free. Not dusty, but dust-free. And I have my contact paper here, and I have a carpet cutter, or whatever you want to call it, and a box cutter, and I'm just going to line the bottom of this really cleanly looking, hopefully it looks a lot better than it does now, with this contact paper, which I bought from the Dollar Tree. So I like to get a very light color because it actually makes it easier to see things in a dark cabinet. So I always go with a light color contact paper. So I found a lot of things under there that I didn't realize I had, and I actually was thinking about buying some more dishcloths, and after cleaning all of this out, I'm like, what was I, crazy? Because there are plenty of dishcloths. They were just falling in behind in there where I couldn't see. So before you go buy more stuff, clean out your stuff, because you probably already have enough, like me. So I'm going to run a sweeper in here, and then I'm going to lay this contact paper in. All of that contact paper would not stick. We measured, we cut, we stuck, it would not stick. So what we have decided to do is leave this alone, and this will be a project for another day. But this is still getting cleaned out and reorganized and everything being put back in there. But for another task video coming up, we are going to do something different with the inside of this cabinet, because I will tell you, if you guys know, when I did my kitchen renovation, we kept all the original cabinets and then we gave them this distress look, which I absolutely love. So these cabinets are old. So what is going on is that because there really is nothing, I don't really know how to explain it, but like there's nothing really flat for the contact paper to adhere itself to in the bottom of the cabinet. It will not lay flat and it will not stick. So that's in the garbage, every bit of what I had. Those 3 rolls that was laying down there in the trash. And so we're probably going to prime this and maybe just paint in here and seal it, and then put contact paper down, or we may put something else in the bottom in here that will be easier to wipe out and keep clean and tidy, and will make this brighter and easier to see everything. So right now I'm going to put everything back in here. I'm going to show you what I get done today, but on another video in the future. Probably here in the next, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks, I am going to decide what I'm going to do in the bottom of this cabinet, and that will be another video for you guys. So this underneath the kitchen sink has turned out to be a big fiasco that I did not want, but it is what it is. So I'm going to put everything back. I'm going to show you the finished project. And the good news is that it will be nice and neat and tidy and clean underneath the sink. And really, that makes me very happy. Okay, I got everything put back in its place. I did buy, if you watch my Dollar Tree haul, I did buy these pink containers. I love these because they're very deep, but they're not big around, but they have some give to them. They have some bend, so you can kind of get them in a smaller space because they kind of bend up a little bit and they're flexible. Same goes with that bin as well. I just put all of my dish pods in there. Those are what I use in my dishwasher. I really hate them being in the original packaging because I don't know, I do not like to have to, am I that lazy? I guess I am. But I don't like to open the box every time I want one. I just like to be able to wash all the dishes, load them in the dishwasher, and bend down and grab one of those pods and throw it in the dishwasher and turn it on. Now back in the back there, right here, the white container, that is everything that has to do with my dogs. I don't have to use that very often because I send them to the groomers and they're going this week, so I don't have to wash them for a little while. Those are my drying mats. I use those quite often. And then this is all of my kitchen towels and cleaning cloths, and I love them here because I can see what I have. And I'm telling you, I almost bought some because I was like, oh, I'm almost out. I don't even have any cleaning cloths. I filled up this entire basket. I do not think I need any more, honestly. And then lastly, over here is a giant thing from Costco, and this is the way I buy my kitchen trash bags, because that container, or box I should say, actually lasts me for almost 6 months, and I don't have to think about buying trash bags at all, and I love that. It lasts me forever, so I always buy them from Costco. I feel like they're cheaper than the regular store, and they're durable, and I love them, and I really fill them up, people. I have 2 trash cans at this house. I pay the city for 2 trash cans because somebody is at home all the time. I'm constantly cooking, decluttering, and we got a lot of garbage because we run a business out of this house too. So those garbage bags, they last a long time, and I highly recommend them. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, I do have my dish soap right there, and I buy that from Costco as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm going to try to stand up. Guys, I have just been suffering with my sciatica today, so it's been fun getting up and down off the floor doing this task. But I am done, and I'm very happy with the finished project. I'm sorry about the contact paper not working out, but sometimes, you know, you make these videos and you keep them really real. So I'm going to go. I got to make some dinner. I've got grandkids on the way. I'm going to keep them for 4 or 5 days. And yes, I am getting things done around here. So if you have some tasks that you have been procrastinating on doing, don't procrastinate any longer, because honestly, these projects don't take long, and you'll see the underneath of my sink again really soon. I hope you all are having a blessed day. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll be talking to you all again. Bye, guys.